aking sabay-sabay, Blations. I want to hear you guys sing.
Okay. Go out, I'm gonna let myself get absolutely soaking wet.
Thank you, the Blations. I had fun watching you girls. Obviously, I'm gonna say yes.
Yes! Thank you.
I consider you girls.
So much. We hope to get into the top 3, but if not, then I guess life goes on and it won't stop us from being together and being the girl group that we are.
Ang unang pasok, may future talaga ito. Blations. Congratulations, girls.
Blations is now one of Rachel's proteges. Mula Cebu, binulabog natin ang tricycle capital of the Philippines, ang Cabanatuan City.
Ito ang napiling destination ng R&B Prince na si JR para hanapin ang kanyang tatlong proteges.
I want to tell you I will be picking 3 musical artists from you. So, the best of luck to everyone.
Ang iba sa mga sumalang ay personal na inimbitahan ni Mentor JR nang umikot siya sa Cabanatuan. At dito niya nakilala si Haris.
Kumusta po? Ako po si JR po. Kumusta po? Ito po yung show namin, Protege, at gusto namin i-audition po yung anak niyo kasi magaling daw po kumanta. Anong masasabi niyo po?
Ako proud na proud ako sa anak ko dahil medyo may talent nga siya. Pwede talaga siyang kumanta.
May chance ka mag-audition ngayon. Try natin.
She got you insane. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, who the way you'll shine. Miss Independent.
May chance kang manalo.
Gagawin ko po yung best. I know sometimes it's gonna rain, but baby, can we make up now? Cause I can't slip through the pain. Girl, I don't wanna go to bed.
Haris, you have your own style but yung pronunciation, importante yon.
Hindi napasama si Haris sa top 3 ni JR. Pero hindi doon natatapos ang kanyang pangarap para sa ama.
Papa, kahit hindi ko nabigay yung mga pangarap ko sa inyo, magbago ka na.
At sinong magulang, lahat talaga mahal ng mga anak, di ba? Kaya yung sinasabi niya, tama yung para sa akin.